Whirlpool 240L Frost-Free Multi-Door Refrigerator, 253D Protton Roy. Introducing the Whirlpool 240L Frost-Free Multi-Door Refrigerator, the epitome of modern convenience and advanced cooling technology. This refrigerator model, known as the FP263D Protton Roy, boasts a sleek and sophisticated design in the striking alpha steel color, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. With an impressive rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars from over 8,466 satisfied customers, this refrigerator has captured the hearts of many with its exceptional performance and features. Its popularity is further underscored by its distinction as Amazon's choice for Whirlpool 240L Frost-Free Multi-Door Refrigerator. One of the standout features of the Whirlpool Protton Roy is its innovative multi-door design. This design offers a unique approach to organizing your groceries, ensuring maximum freshness and efficient storage. The refrigerator compartment is thoughtfully divided into different sections, preventing odor mixing and enabling better preservation of food items. This multi-door configuration also contributes to energy efficiency by allowing you to open only the section you need, minimizing cold air loss from the main compartment. Equipped with advanced frost-free technology, you can say goodbye to the hassle of manual defrosting. This feature maintains a consistent temperature and prevents ice buildup, freeing you from the chore of defrosting your fridge. This model's 240L capacity provides ample space for your food and beverage storage needs. The Whirlpool Protton Roy is priced at a discounted rate of ₹25,445, a significant reduction from its original MRP of ₹37,400. This 32% discount makes it an attractive option for those seeking quality and functionality without breaking the bank. Whether you are storing fresh produce, beverages, or frozen treats, this refrigerator ensures your items are kept at their optimal temperature, preserving their flavor and nutritional value. Energy efficient, Whirlpool 240L Frost-Free Multi-Door Refrigerator FP263D Protton Roy consumes lesser energy than, making it one of the most energy-efficient refrigerators in its class. Special feature: stabilizer-free operations even in high-voltage fluctuations between 160-300 V. Warranty: Whirlpool 240L Frost-Free Multi-Door Refrigerator FP263D Protton Roy carry 1 year on the product and 10 years on the compressor. If you are in search of a reliable and feature-rich refrigerator that combines modern design with advanced cooling technology, the Whirlpool 240L Frost-Free Multi-Door Refrigerator FP263D Protton Roy in Alpha Steel might just be the perfect choice for you. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal to enhance your kitchen's functionality and aesthetic appeal.